So exercise 6.3, sixth sum. In the given figure, triangle ABE is congruent. Congruent means exactly superpose. So now we have to show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So given what is given, that you write it, and what is to prove, that also you can copy from the question, and diagram will be already given, that you write it, that you draw. Now let us take what is congruent. So triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. You know, if two triangles are congruent, then the sides are equal, then the angles are also equal. So what will be the equal sides? From this itself we can find out. So AB equal to AC. First two. AB is equal to AC, and AD and AE. AE is equal to AD. AE first and last, AE is equal to AD. Whatever we need, that alone we can, all the sides are equal. From that we can take what we need. So here AB and AC you take it, and AD and AE. AD here first and last, here also first and last. AD and AE, AB and AC. Now let us bring this AC to the denominator. AB they have written it as B, that's all. So AB by AC, when you bring this to denominator, here right hand side you will be getting 1. Similarly here AE, when you bring this to denominator, you will be getting as 1. So now if the right hand sides are equal, then automatically the left hand sides are equal. So now in this triangle ADE and ABC, in this smaller triangle and this bigger triangle, corresponding sides AD by AE is equal to AB by AC, or AD by AB. You can write like this: AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Now we have what we have proved, that we are writing here, and for both the triangles which is common, angle A is common, therefore by side, angle, side. So AD is one side and A is one angle, and AE is one side. So side, angle, side. By side, angle, side criteria, we have got these two triangles are similar. So from the congruency, we are proving the corresponding sides are proportional. Then we are writing which is a common angle for both the triangle, for the smaller triangle and for this bigger triangle, which is common angle, angle A. Isn't it, children? ADE and ABC, which is common angle, angle A. ADE liyu A irukku, ABC liyu A irukku. So triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Now coming to seventh sum, in the given figure, so here wait a minute. So in the given figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC. So this AD and CE are the altitudes of the triangle ABC. They both the altitudes intersect at a point P. We have to show some of the triangles are similar. So how will you show? Given that AD and CE are altitudes of triangle ABC. So first let us prove the first part. AEP is congruent to CDP. So in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, what and all equal? So from these two triangles, AEP means the smaller triangle, AEP. Since this is an altitude, so this E angle is 90 degree. AEP and CDP, what we have to prove? நம்ம என்ன proof பண்ணணுமோ அந்த triangle we have to take it. And CDP, CPD. So here this angle is 90, this angle is 90. Why? Each 90, why? It is altitude, okay, perpendicular. And what about APE and CPD? APE, this angle, and CPD, both are vertically opposite angles. APE, this angle. We know that when two lines intersect, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So here this APE and CPD are vertically opposite angles. So this one angle, two angles. So by angle similarity, easily by using angle similarity, we have proved the first pair of triangle are similar. Next we are going to take next pair, ABD and CB. These two triangles only we have to prove. So take that two triangles, and what and all equal? ADB equal to CEB. ADB, here if this is 90, this is also 90. So here D angle is 90, and CEB, if this is 90, this also will be 90. In CEB this is 90. So both are 90 degree. And which is common? ABD, this B angle, and CBE, here also B angle. We are getting angle B is common. Angle B is equal to angle B, that is common angle. Therefore triangle is similar. easily you can prove this and all. Okay, everything will be given in the diagram, that what is the common angle and which is 90 degree, that alone you write. Now in triangle AEP and ADB, AEP and ADB, in which is 90 degree. AEP means E, ADB means D, so E and D are 90 degree, and which is common angle for both, here also A, here also A, easily you can write. No, see, here you have B, here you have B, so B is common angle. Here you have A and here you have A. Now A is common angle, or you can draw the triangle வரைஞ்சு பார்க்கலாம், தனியாக வரைஞ்சு பார்த்துட்டு எது common angle கூட எழுதலாம். So angle A is equal to angle A common, so AEP is similar to triangle ADB by AA similarity. Now coming to question number, next one more subdivision is there. So here in these two triangles PDC and BEC, so PDC means, let me draw the triangle here, PCD, D is 90 and BEC, so which is 90 degree. Here angle D is 90 degree, here angle E is 90 degree, so center C, D, E. Okay, these two variables you can write in any manner, each 90, and which is common angle. Here also C, here also C, so PCD and ECB you can write in any manner, or angle C is equal to angle C common, like that also you can write. So triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC by AA similarity. Now coming to question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. So ABCD is a parallelogram, and E is a point on the side produced on the side AD. So on the side AD we are extending up to E, which intersects and BE intersects CD at F. BE intersect the CD at what point? F. Sometimes they may not give the diagram. By reading this question you have to draw the diagram. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Okay, now here whatever we have to show, that two triangles you take it, and what and all equal here, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 y alternate angle. Similarly angle 4 is equal to angle 3, angle 4 is equal to angle 3. See, here is a formation, angle 4 is equal to angle 3. Similarly these two are parallel lines, isn't it? And this acts as a transversal. So here like this, angle 1 and angle 2, here also is a formation. So by using alternate angles by AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. Very simply we have proved. And question number 9. So here in question number 9, in the given figure these two triangles are two right triangles. So here two right triangles are given, right angled at B and M. Here B and M are 90 degree. We have to prove this. So whatever we have to prove, that two triangles you take, and what and all 90 degree, that you write it. என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அப்படியே எழுத வேண்டியதான். B and M are 90 degree, so B and M each 90 degree, and which is common for both, here also A, here also A. So angle A is common. So therefore by AA similarity these two triangles are similar. Now we have to show that the corresponding sides are proportional. Simply you can write this and you can write, or else you can find out. See here they asked you to prove CA by PA, first and last CA by PA, and last two CB by PM, ratio of the corresponding sides of similar triangles. Or else just you can copy from this. Or actually the sides is, what and all angles are equal, angle B and angle M are equal, angle A are equal, angle C and angle P are equal. So from the angle you can find out the corresponding sides. So suppose if I take the first two, what is the first two? BA, isn't it? BA and BA AM. Suppose the last two, AC by AP. So first two, then second and third I have taken, then first and last. What is first and last? BC by MP, BC by MP. See, we got all the three, all the corresponding sides I have written. From this what we need only two portions that you can write. Corresponding angles lerndi you can write what are all the corresponding sides. See here, first two, BA, idu rendu. So BA by AM, this and this. Similarly AC by AP, then first and last BC by PM, like that also you can write. Angles enga layadho and the corresponding sides அப்படியே எடுத்துக்கலாம். Okay, so these are the important part. Okay, or else you have to write which is the correct corresponding angle. If you have written the angles correctly, see, A and A are equal, B and M are equal, and C and P are equal, isn't it? From the triangle, similarity triangle, we can write. Then you can write like this, first two, then second and third, then first and last, like that also you can write. Okay, thank you.